Hi, I'm Zach Mieza, the regular guy who likes DIY. Today we're going to do a really cool project, a storage ottoman. It's really great as a storage solution, indoors and outdoors, and it adds a touch of class. And it's really easy to build. I used one sheet of 18mm shutter ply, and the guys at Builders cut it to size for me. What I've got here is the lid at 1200 by 500mm, a base at 1124 by 420mm, the front and the back at 1160 by 400, the sides 420 by 400. I've got the front legs at 430 by 80, the back legs, which are slightly shorter, at 400 by 80, and the feet at 30 by 80 mils. What you're also going to need is 30, 40, and 50 mil wood screws, some wood glue, 2 hinges, a tape measure and pencil, a drill driver, screw pilot, a sander, and a clamp if you're going to be doing this alone. And to finish it up, I'm going to use some wood filler, and then I'm going to paint it up using some French blue chalk paint from Fired Earth. Let's get started. I'm going to start by building the box section. I've got my front and back and my sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my side and line it up with my back. I'm going to use a little bit of wood glue, stick them together, hold it together with my clamp. And another thing I like is to keep all the bits of board with blemishes on the inside of the box. Now I'm going to drill my pilot holes and then fasten together with the 40mm screws. Now we can unclap and repeat for the other side. It's starting to take shape and it's really easy. So last piece on and then we've got our box. There you go. The box is done, taking good shape. It's time to do our legs. And to do the legs, I'm going to take 2 of the smaller pieces, put a little bit of wood glue in between, line it up to one of the ends, we'll clamp it in the middle, and then hold it into place with our 50mm screws. There you go, it's done. Now repeat the same steps for all the legs. And because you use wood glue, it slides a little bit. So clamp it, then align it, and then make sure the clamping is tight. Our legs are done. Now the next thing to do is to attach them to our box. To do this, I'm going to measure 80 mils from the edge, mark that up, put a little bit of wood glue on the inside, and then just hang it. Now we're going to make our pilot holes, and then we're going to use our 30mm screws to attach it to the box so that the screws don't come out on the other side. Now repeat the same for the other 3 legs. Let's just make sure that I've got the 2 short ones together. The legs are on. Now we're going to flip it over onto its feet. And now I'm going to drop in the base, and it's going to rest on the feet on the inside. I'm going to go around it first and drill my pilot holes. And then I'm going to secure everything in place using my 40mm screws. And the last piece to go on is the lid. I'm going to line it up with the front legs, then measure up and mark off my position for the hinges. Now I can fasten my hinges at the back. There you go. The box is looking great. Now I'm going to fill the holes with some wood filler and give it a quick sand in preparation to paint. The sanding's done. Now I'm going to dust it off and apply my French blue paint. Painted and completed, and doesn't it look great? Now you can use the storage ottoman for anything, storing your toys, tools, or even outdoors on your patio sets for your cushions. Remember, everything I use can be found at your local builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. And for more how-to videos with Zach, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.